If you want to control peaks, keep your audio cleaner, and make your voice sound more consistent, then learning how to use the Audacity Limiter is a really useful skill. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the limiter effect in Audacity step by step, so you can set a clear ceiling on your audio and avoid harsh clipping. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Audacity guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your project in Audacity and find the track you want to process. To make sure the limiter is applied to the right audio, click the track header on the left side of the track. This selects the entire track and tells Audacity that this is the audio you want to edit. If you only want to process part of the track, you can highlight a specific section, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on the full track. Once the track is selected, look up at the top of the screen and click the Effect menu. This is where Audacity keeps all of its audio processing tools, including EQ, compression, noise reduction, and limiting. After the menu opens, hover over Volume and Compression. This submenu contains tools designed to control loudness and dynamic range, and this is where you'll find the limiter. Now click Limiter. The limiter window will pop up, and this is where you'll set the behavior of the effect. The first setting you'll see is Threshold. Set threshold in dB to your target limit. For example, if you want to keep your audio from going above -3 decibels, you can type in -3.0. This value tells Audacity where the limiter should start stopping peaks from getting louder. Next, set Makeup Target in dB to match your threshold. So if your threshold is set to -3.0, set the Makeup Target to -3.0 as well. This helps maintain a consistent output level after the limiter does its job. In many cases, matching these values gives you a clean, controlled result without pushing the signal too aggressively. After that, adjust the knee width in dB. If you want a strict limit, set the knee width to 0.0. That gives you a harder, more exact limiting effect. If you want a slightly smoother and more natural transition, try 5.0 instead. A softer knee can make the limiter feel less abrupt, which is helpful if you're working with voice recordings or audio that needs to sound more transparent. Take a moment to review your settings before applying them. A good, simple starting point is threshold at -3.0, makeup target at -3.0, and knee width at either 0.0 for a hard limit or 5.0 for a smoother result. The best choice depends on your audio and how much control you need. If your voice has sudden spikes, a stricter setting may be better. If you want it to feel a little more natural, go with the softer option. When everything looks right, click Apply. Audacity will process the track and reduce peaks based on the limiter settings you chose. After that, you can play the audio back and listen to the difference. You should notice that the loudest parts are now better controlled, which can help your audio sound more balanced and prevent clipping when you export or upload it. And that's it. You've just learned how to use the Audacity Limiter to set a ceiling on your audio and keep your levels under control. This is a great final step for voiceovers, podcasts, music, and any project where you want cleaner peaks and a more polished sound. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Audacity tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.